Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds within the Temple Run 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temple Run 2 game on your device and you will directly be taken into the main menu from which you can directly start playing. Now if you wish to turn off all sounds within the game, just tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, which will take you into the settings page. Within this page, you will see the music as well as the sound volume. If you wish to completely turn them off, just swipe it and set it all the way to the left. This will now turn off all sounds and music from your game. You may also choose your own desired level by setting it up manually. And once you set up your sound level, you can tap on the play button and your audio settings have now been applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Temple Run 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.